It was a cool and windy night. My friend and I met after a long time and were chatting for hours. We did not notice that time flew away and it was close to 10. We decided to take a taxi rickshaw to go to our room. It started raining and we hurried to get into a taxi rickshaw and reach our place. None of the taxi rickshaws stopped for us except one. The driver asked us where we wanted to go and we told him the place. Without talking anything about the fare, he said, "Please get in." We thanked the taxi driver for stopping for us. Since it was very cold, I asked the driver to stop in the middle of any small restaurant or a tea shop. We like to have a cup of hot tea. The driver stopped near a small restaurant. We ordered tea and asked the driver to join us and have a cup of tea. The driver refused. I insisted he take a cup as it could be refreshing. Again, the driver refused to drink tea. My friend asked, "Will you not take tea from this shop or what?" The driver replied, "No, sir, I don't feel like having tea now." I asked again, "But why? A cup of tea will do no harm." The driver with all smiles replied, "Thank you, sir, but I'm sorry." My friend asked, "Do you have any habit that you want to eat outside?" The driver said, "No." My friend became angry with the driver. "You think we are not equal to sharing a cup of tea with you?" The driver remained silent and never replied. I was really surprised by his behavior and asked my friend not to compel him. In 15 minutes, we reached our mansion. We paid the fare and he thanked us. I stopped him as I really wanted to ask him why he refused to drink tea. He was thinking for a minute and replied, "Sir, my son passed away this noon in an accident. I don't have enough money for his funeral. So I promised not to drink even water until I earned enough money for my son. That's why I didn't drink tea when you offered it. Please don't mistake me." We both were shattered and offered him more money for his son's funeral. I said, "Please take this." He politely refused. "Thank you for your generosity, sir. In 1 or 2 hours, if I get 1 or 2 more customers, I will earn sufficient money I need." And he left the place. He could have charged us double or even triple the usual rate due to rain. Still, he received the nominal taxi fare. In spite of his poor financial condition and his deep sorrow, the taxi driver remained honest and stood by his words. Be honest to all, because honesty is the right policy.